I was mouthing to the camera because you're busy grinding and I didn't want to bother talking. I was all like doing this and doing that, but basically this is the foam for the rail. You cut that fucking shit up and we're gonna put it around the rail. And then this is the stuff we got for the rail. Looks pretty professional, I think. Nice like faux leather or some shit. And then we got the green felt for the racetrack. And I'm just stapling that together now. I got some padding foam underneath there so when people throw chips out they don't bounce around. And yeah, coming along nicely. Eric's gonna finish sanding that and then paint it black. And then should all go together today. Hooray, day 2! Wow. Oh no, battery's gonna die. Son of a bitch! Well, I guess we'll charge and we'll pick it up later. Part 2's gonna suck. Part 2's gonna suck, Eric. God damn it. I always suck. Well, it turned out a little more homemade than expected, but that's why I called it the white trash poker table, right, Eric?
Exactly.
Yeah. You gotta have low standards for these kinds of things, but had to fiddle fuck and cut around and bend all the foam for the rail, but it looks pretty ugly on this end, but luckily this is the bottom. I think the other side's gonna look pretty. At least, yeah, pretty-ish. Painting's just about done, maybe throw one more coat onto there, but I'd say that's about good. You can still tell that it's wood, but black wood. Black wood, it's that custom black wood. It's expensive. Extra expensive, but then we got the top over there looking fresh. It's coming together. Got the legs. And I put those on once the paint's dry, because that's our base over there, but yeah. Table legs, and got 2 of those. It's gonna be sweet.
Definitely good enough to play cards on.
Yeah. Well, here it is. All put together. So you can see I'm not extremely happy with how the bumper came out, especially back here. A little missing some foam, a little dip. And the wrap wasn't very professional. I'm not an upholsterer by any means, but I think it'll suit its purpose here. Bunch of drunks playing poker. No, I'm just kidding. It'll be good for home games. I think it'll work fine. I really like how the racetrack turned out. It's nice and padded. Oh, there it is. Right, Walter? There she is. Eric had to take off, missed the final reveal, and we had camera issues throughout the day, so I didn't get a whole lot of it filmed, but there you are. Poker table, 2 days, it's about 4 o'clock. I mean, we took our leisurely time both days, so don't judge us on that. I know it's something that could be done in a day easy, but we did it in 2 to take the time, and it's poker night tonight, so maybe get some action shots on her. I was told that at the end of my videos I should say, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, but I feel like that's something you say after you already have people watching, which I don't, so if you did like what you see, or saw, what you seesaw, did you like what you seesaw there, and you want to see some more, probably not a whole lot more shit like this, because I don't do the wood all the time, but shit like that, all that junk, and previous videos, you want to see more stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe, and if you liked this one, yeah, if a guest figure, give it a thumbs up, appreciate it, take care.